Hi. Hello.
How are you?
I am fine. And you?
I am well. Are you student?
Yes, I am student.
Which class are you studying?
I am studying 10th.
How many members are there in your family?
There are 4 members in my family.
Do you like a car?
Yes, I like a car. Do you like TV shows?
No, I don't like it. Where are you from?
I am from India.
How old are you?
I am 21 years old.
Do you speak English?
Yes, I speak English. What time is it?
It's 3 o'clock. Where do you work?
I work at a hospital. What's your phone number?
My phone number is 85253.
What's your favorite language?
My favorite language is Hindi. Do you have any vehicle?
Yes, I have vehicle.
What is your job?
I am teacher. What's your school name?
My school name is Government. Are you married?
No, I am not married.
How much your salary per month?
My salary is 40,000 per month. How many siblings are there?
3 siblings are there. You daily read newspaper?
Yes, I read newspapers daily. What is your dream?
My dream is cricket player. Can you cook?
Yes, I can cook. What's your weight?
My weight is almost 50 kilograms. What's your favorite place?
My favorite place is Taj Mahal. Can you ride a bike?
Yes, I can ride a bike. Do you like dance?
Yes, I can. Are you vegetarian?
Yes, I am vegetarian. Do you have best friend?
Yes, I have. Can you swim?
Yes, I can swim. What is your father name?
My father name is Malik. What is your village name?
My village name is Kodagu. You can play chess?
Yes, I can play better. How many dogs are there in your house?
Only one is there.
Now are you busy?
Yes, I am busy.
What's your brother name?
My brother name is Sunil. Did you know about India?
Yes, I knew.
Which is your favorite car?
My favorite car is Benz. Where is your bag?
My bag is in my house. When did you complete homework?
Yesterday I completed my homework. Can you complete homework daily?
No, I am not complete my homework daily. Your dress is good.
Thanks. Please come tomorrow.
Why? Tomorrow is my birthday.
Okay, I will come.
Now I have to go.
Okay, bye.
Subscribe for more videos.